Welcome. If you've ever recorded a voice message in an Instagram group chat on your PC and suddenly changed your mind, you're not alone. With the latest Instagram update, you now have full control to delete your voice message before anyone in the group hears it. Here's how you can do it, step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the Messages icon, which resembles a paper airplane. Click on it to access all your direct messages and group chats. Scroll through your conversations and open the group where you want to send a voice message. Once inside the group chat, look toward the bottom of the chat window for the voice recorder icon. This icon usually looks like a small microphone. Click on it to begin recording your message. Speak clearly and record what you want to share. Now here's the crucial part. After you finish recording, click the stop button. At this point, you'll see new options appear near your recording. If you decide not to send the message, maybe you made a mistake or simply changed your mind, look for the cancel icon. This is often represented by an X or a trash can symbol right next to your recording controls. Click the cancel icon. Instantly, your voice message will be deleted and will not be sent to anyone in the group. You can now re-record your message or simply move on without worrying about sending something you didn't intend to share. This updated feature is designed to give you peace of mind and more flexibility when communicating in group chats. No more accidental messages or last-minute regrets, just record, review, and if needed, delete before sending. So next time you're about to send a voice message in an Instagram group on your PC, remember these steps. You're in control of what gets shared every time. Happy chatting.